Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to quit Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Quitting the Evernote app on your mobile device depends on your operating system. For example, in my case, I am using an Android. So one of the first options that I use is swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold or tap the square recent apps button on an older device. If you do that, you see there's like an hamburger menu at the bottom left corner. If you click that, I would have an option to, you see the trash icon here. If you click that, that would close the app or quit the app in that sense. If I do that, you see, successfully cleared, and I was able to delete the apps. Now, if it's still not responsive or you're having problems closing it, still running on the background, I want you to go to the settings, depending on your mobile brand. All right, go to the app management, and I want you to click the app list. From the app list, I want you to search for Evernote. Click on it. And from here, just go to the battery and click the force stop. All right, or force quit if the app is kind of unresponsive. And again, just follow the same steps as above to open the app switcher. All right, and swipe up on Evernote to force it to quit. You see, you can manage the battery usage from here. You can see the optimize based on your usage and click the force stop. All right, if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. It's okay, because if that is the case, if it misbehave, go to the storage and cache. You might want to clear some cache and clear some storage so that the app will kind of go back to its default. And then if it's still not working, you might want to go to the section that says uninstall right here. If you do that, it will be uninstalled. Click on OK and just try to reinstall that on the Google Play Store if you're using an Android. All right, it's that easy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.